देखो टॉपिक इज एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे जैसे तुम लोगों को पता है दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज एन एटम, ठीक है। तो इनसाइड में क्या होता है, इनसाइड देयर से इट इज नोन एज न्यूक्लियस। इसमें क्या रहेगा, न्यूट्रॉन रहेगा एंड प्रोटॉन रहेगा। अब न्यूट्रॉन का चार्ज क्या रहेगा, व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑफ द न्यूट्रॉन? न्यूट्रॉन इज न्यूट्रल इन नेचर, हैविंग नो चार्ज। प्रोटॉन इज हैविंग अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज। ओके, नाउ और क्या रहता है, दैट्स एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो दिस आर व्हाट, दिस आर वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यूजुअली स्टे। इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पर रहता है, दिस आर नोन एज ऑर्बिट यू कैन से, और शेल्स यू कैन से, और एनर्जी लेवल, एनर्जी लेवल। ओके, इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहता है, ठीक है। अब समझ में आएगा यहाँ तक। अभी यहाँ पे समझो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या हो रहा है, इस यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया तुम लोगों को, ठीक है। दे आर सेइंग दैट लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ समथिंग जस्ट लाइक, तुम ले लो एग्जांपल एक सोडियम का, SODIUM, सोडियम। सिंबल क्या है, Na। व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर? एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11, ठीक है। ये तुमको मिल जाएगा शीट में, ठीक है। एटॉमिक नंबर इज 11। नाउ अभी यहाँ पे देखो एटॉमिक नंबर का मतलब क्या हो, दिस इज नोन एज एटॉमिक नंबर। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर? देखो प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, atomic number is 11. It means, what does it mean? It means that the proton is 11 in number and the electron is also 11. So proton sign is what? Positive sign. So plus 11. Electron sign is minus. So minus 11. Clear? So what is the answer for this one? Plus 11 minus 11 is 0. So that's why neutral. So sodium is neutral. Sodium does not have, do you saw, though sodium does not have plus charge or minus charge. Why? Because what is the answer for this one? 0 means there is no charge. Okay, mathematically it's having no charge. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे समझो क्या हो रहा है। They are saying that you need to write the electric configuration of this one. What do you mean by electric configuration? Electric configuration means there are 11 electrons. You have to place the 11 electrons in the shells. These are energy levels in the shell. So this is the first shell, K. The second cell L, if next cell is there M, N, O, like that, go on. Okay, so first shell it will have maximum of 2 electron, next 8 electron, next again 8 electron, like that, ठीक है। तो अभी यहाँ पे देखो, इधर जो देख लो। Okay, so first shell में how many electrons it will be there? It will be maximum of 2 electron, next shell 8 electrons and so on, ठीक है। तो अब now you have to, now first to tell me in these cells electrons are there or protons are there? Electrons, we are arranging electrons in the shell. Electrons को arrange कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो how many electrons we are having? 11 electrons are there. So according to that we have to place what are the shell's energy levels? You can say orbit, you can say 2 is there. No, energy levels are K is there, L is there, M is there, N is there, and so on. Let me see. So first how many it should have? Maximum 2 it should have. 2 रहना है maximum, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है। So I am having 11. तो 2 तो हो जाएगा। 2 done. Now how many are left out of 11? 11 electrons है, उसमें 2 में already I have kept them in the K shell. So how many are left? 9 are there. So next shell I can keep how many electron maximum? So 9 is there. So argon आ जाएगा 8. How many are left? 1 is left. Next shell में कितना होना है? 8. But how many are there? Only 1 is there. तो 8 को हम कहाँ से देगा? 2, 8, 1 तो 11 हो गया, ठीक है। So we have completed that. So this is known as electronic configuration. If anyone is saying write the electric configuration, तो ये है electric configuration. Understood how to write? In case you may ask that if it is 20 है तो क्या करना है? 2. How many are left? Now 18 are there. 8 is possible. How many are left? More 10 is left, है ना? 10 होगी और 10 तो बाकी है. Again 8. Next 2. समझ में कैसे करना है? ठीक है. Understood now this one? So now we'll stick to this question only. देखो, understood this one? Now अभी यहाँ पे समझो क्या हो रहा है. This one, the last one is how many are there? It should be how many? 8 or 0. Okay, it should be 8 or 0. Sorry, 0 or 8. 0 or 8. ये दोनों, sorry, 0 और 8 ये दोनों में से कुछ भी होना है. तो now see, for becoming 0, it has to lose only 1 electron. 1 है, 0 होना है तो एक तो हटा जाएगा तो 0 हो जाएगा। ओके, 1 है, इट शुड बी 8 तो क्या होना है? So which one is it? Losing 1 electron or gaining 7 electron? Losing 1 electron is easy as compared to gaining of 7 electrons. So what will go? It will go for loses 1 electron. Okay, so it will become 2,8 है ना. लूज कर लिया, हो गया, बन गया. नाउ अभी यहाँ पे समझो, now understand the process. यहाँ पे देखो, this is before, this is after. Now this is protons, protons, this is electron. Before proton how many are there? 11. 11 is the same na. 11 plus minus 11, so answer is 0. Now after how many it became? This is before, this is after. After how many are there? 10. कौन सा है? प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन से सेम ओनली, तो प्रोटॉन में कोई चेंजेस नहीं है. सो प्रोटॉन है ना प्लस 11, दिस वन माइनस 10, सो आंसर इज प्लस 1 है ना. प्लस 1, द साइन विल बी, नाउ सोडियम विल हैव प्लस साइन. ये समझ में आ गया नहीं है? बताओ. ओके, यहाँ समझ में आ गया, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ व्हाट डज दिस प्लस साइन सिग्निफाइज? Positive. Means what does it mean? This is a cation. Cation. Plus sign means always cation. Plus sign, it means what? It's a metal. You can say metal. Means we can say that whenever metal is there, it will always lose the electron. है ना? Whenever plus sign is there, what does it? Plus sign क्या signify कर रहा है? कि it has lost the electron. है ना? Plus sign signifies lost the electron. Means it is a cation. उसका मतलब क्या है? Metals. Metals always loses the electron. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. अभी समटाइम्स दे आस्क यू व्हाट इज नोन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वैलेंसी, व्हाट इज नोन बाय वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, व्हाट इज वैलेंसी एंड व्हाट इज वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है, वैलेंसी मतलब क्या होता है? हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इट हैज लॉस्ट और गेन, हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इट हैज लॉस्ट और गेन. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, सो हाउ मेनी इट हैज लॉस्ट और गेन. फर्स्ट यू से इट हैज लॉस्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाउ मेनी इट हैज लॉस्ट? 1 electron. So valence is how much? 1. No need for plus and minus. Valence is 1. Now, what is valence electron? Valence electron means how many electrons which are present in the last shell. The electrons which are present in the last outermost shell is known as valence electron. The valence electron last outermost shell, how many are there? Before one you will see, not see the after one. Before one how much? 1. No, last. Last is which one? 1 is there. So this is a case where valence is also 1, valence electron is also. Sometimes it doesn't happen like that. Okay, valence means how many are losing or gaining. Valence electron means the electron which is present in the last shell. Clear? Valence electron and valency. What is valence electron, valency? Okay, understood this? Any doubt here? See, I told you it should be 0, right? If it is 8, that is known as octet rule. If I am saying it should be 8, that is known as octet rule. If instead, if I am saying it should be 2, duplet rule. Duplet means 2, octet means 8. You may ask me that 2 why, how it will be in case of hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number how much? 1 na? It should be how much? First shell how much it should be? Maximum. But is having, so it should be 2, that is known as duplet. Cannot 0 na? 0 nothing is there. Here apart from 0 many other values are there. But in that only 1 is there. So how will make the complete it 0? Huh? If I am making it 0, then also 10 is there. 8 and 2. But there, if I will make it 0, so everything is complete 0. Means hydrogen doesn't exist only. Not possible. Clear? You understood this one, na? Now I will explain you with the chlorine. Sodium understood. The same thing I will do you. Want to copy this one? Now instead of sodium, I will take chlorine. Cl, how much? 17. So according to that, how many protons?
17.
Plus 17. How many electrons?
-17.
Minus 17. Clear? ठीक है. Orbit, again many will be there. Before 2, 8,
8.
7, 17. 17 na? Okay. Now 7 is there. It should be 0. So it should remove 7 electron. For becoming 8, it need 1 electron. है ना? इसको 0 करना है तो 7 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. 8 करना है तो 1 प्लस कर. So which one is easy?
+1.
Plus 1. Gaining is easy ना? So what it will do? It will gain one electron. After gaining, it will become
218.
clear. So now it will become what?
Anion.
Wait.
Cl minus.
Cl minus. Why it will be minus? I will tell you. Wait. देखो Cl minus. Here you see again. Before is how much? 17. है ना? Here also 17. So answer is 0. After 18. Proton is same, but this one became.
18.
So answer is 1, but sign will be the bigger one, minus 1. So minus signifies anion, and it's a non-metal. Okay. Now valency means what? How many electrons it has gained or lost. So it is losing or gaining? Gaining how many? 1. Valence electron means the number of electrons which are present in the last outermost shell before 1. How many?
7.
So here it will be 7. Clear? समझ में आ गया? Now we will see the formation, how magnesium chloride, this all things form. ये समझ में आ गया basics? Now we will see the formation of sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay. So now sodium is there, and here chlorine is. Sodium atomic number I told you 11. So 2, 8, 1. Here 17. 2, 8, 7. Clear? Okay. Now you see this one. I have told you it will lose 1 electron, है ना? Lose 1 electron. Okay. It will gain 1 electron. So if it will, see, whenever anyone loses an electron, there should be someone who has to accept the electron. Like this it cannot accept, like this cannot. For example, इसको चाहिए, there is no one to give. Possible? It has to lose. So someone should be there, so you should take the electron. देखो, it need 1 electron, it want to lose electron. So they said do one thing. As you need one electron, I want to lose electron. We'll combine together. You take my electron, you become stable. I will lose electron, I will also become stable. Clear? Okay. So what will it become? Now sodium is there. See nicely. How many? 3 shells, na? First shell, second shell, third shell. Here 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here only 1. ठीक है? Next chlorine. 1, 2, 3. 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Now what he is saying? He is saying that do one thing, you take my electron. He is saying that do one thing, you give me an electron. So next one, it will have 3 shells or 2 shells? 2 shells. Why? Because it is losing 1 electron. So no need. Sodium, 1, 2, 2. So 2 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now here it will be chlorine 2, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you know the meaning. Clear? So means it has lost the electron. So it will be Na plus 1 electron, that's a plus. If it is 2 plus. This has gained 1 electron, minus. So they will combine so as to form NaCl. This is sodium. This is what they have forming the sodium chloride. Okay? समझ में आ गया ना? Now we will see how to form magnesium chloride. देखो for example maybe that you don't know the formula, exact formula of magnesium chloride, तुमको पता नहीं है. So this is also the way so as to write the formula directly. You know, but you have to know in magnesium chloride is being composed of what? Magnesium and chlorine. Chloride. Okay. So MaGNeSi, magnesium chloride, CHLORID, chloride, na? It is made up of magnesium and chlorine. This thing you have to know. These 2 things you have to know. Then your answers are done. So magnesium is there. Again chlorine is there. Atomic number is 12. Atomic number is 17. Means 2, 8, 2. Here 2, 8, 7. So atomic number is also very important. Otherwise you are not able to do this one. Next. It should be how much? 0 or 8. As I told you. See, it is easy to become 0 now. You will lose 2 electrons, it will become 0. So it will lose 2 electron. Loses 2 electron. Na? And this one? Gain 1 electron. Now say, as I told you in the last topic, that how many I am losing? There should be someone who has to gain the electron, otherwise not possible for me. Understood? If I want 2 electrons, there should be someone who is giving me 2 electrons, otherwise from where I will get the electron. If I am losing also, there should be someone who has to take 2 electrons from me. Clear? Clear? Okay. So now 2 electrons here, 1. How it is possible? It is ready to lose 2 electrons, but it is not ready to take 2 electrons. You will say, what is the problem? What is the problem? Because if it will take 2 electrons, it will become again unstable. It will be 2, 8, 8 okay, 1 it will become. Not possible, that's wrong thing. So do one thing, then what does he say there? He says that do one thing, you give me 1 electron. You search for some other one. He says that where I will search. It's not possible for me. If you want to take 2 electrons or leave it. If it will 2 electrons, not possible. Again it's unstable. It is trying to take 1 electron to become stable. It will try to take 2 electrons to become unstable. It's not possible, no? Not possible. Okay. So what does it do? Says that do one thing. It says that one more Cl is there of our family only. He is also having 17. He also lack 1 electron. He will call that chlorine to come. Cl 17 2 8 7. Now this will need 1 electron. This will need 1 more electron. It want to lose 2 electron. It will take 1 electron. It will take 1. Satisfied? Clear? If you says that if it has to lose 3 electrons, 3 Cls will come. 4 Cls will come, because this Cl want 1 electron, and he is saying that I need to leave 2 electrons, otherwise I will not give you. So he says that do one thing, one more, you will say one more one to come, you will give that one. So now 1 electron is going to, out of these 2 electrons, 1 electron is going this side and 1 electron is going this side. Clear? Samjho. So now magnesium, I am not making 3 cells, okay, last cell I will make, okay, 3 cells samajhna. So last one is 2 are there, and chlorine last shell 7 are there, here chlorine 7 are there. So one will go from here, one will go here. So it become Mg 2 plus loss of 2 electron, less na, this will Cl minus 1 time Cl1. So total how much? Mg2 minus Cl2 minus. So it will form Mg, how many Cls? Cl2. That's why the formula is MgCl2. 2 electrons are there, na? 2 chlorines. It need excess of 2 electrons will go for 2. If Cl3, 3 chlorines will come, MgCl3 will come. समझ में आ गया? Aluminium chloride, aluminium valency, understand this, aluminium valency is 13. So it will be 3. Cl is there. He says that I will lose 3 electrons, but Cl will take only 1 electron. One more Cl will come then. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Then it will become, it will go there AlCl3. आया समझ में कैसा बनता है formation? How understood ना? This is known as, this formation is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Ionic bond means whenever one person loses the electron, one more person will gain the electron. That is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. ध्यान से समझना. Ionic bond or electro bond means when one loses the electron, other one gains the electron. That is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So this is what sodium chloride also ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Magnesium chloride also ionic bond and electrovalent. कब होता है? Between metal and non-metal. एक मेटल एक नॉन मेटल के बीच में हर समय देयर विल बी आयनिक बॉन्ड और इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. ठीक है, मेटल मेटल के बीच में नहीं होगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज वन शुड लूज, वन शुड गेन. एज आई टोल्ड यू, मेटल ऑलवेज लूजेस एंड नॉन मेटल ऑलवेज गेन्स. सो देयर शुड बी ऑलवेज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयनिक और इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बिटवीन अ मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल. क्लियर है? नाउ इन केस इफ देयर आर, if for example such situation comes, see I tell you this is what, when one wants an electron and one doesn't needs an electron, na? One is losing, one is gaining. In case if one situation arise like this, then what we have to do? See, chlorine how much atomic number? 17. 2 comma 7. You saw na Cl2, huh? It is made up of Cl and Cl, na? So one more Cl is there, 2 comma 8 comma 7. Now they are saying that we both will make a bond. Possible? Why? Because as I told you, one should lose, one should gain, na? But both are not ready to lose. He says that I am lacking 1 electron. Give me. He says to this guy give me your 1 electron. If this will give, it will become 6, again unstable. If he is going to give, he will become 6, that will be stable, but he will be unstable. So they came to a conclusion. What is the conclusion? See, they cannot go for ionic or electron sharing, or they cannot go for losing of electron or gaining of electron. Then what they will say, chlorine is there, here also chlorine is there. Last shell I am doing, okay, only last shell. Last shell how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here last shell only, yeah? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They come to a conclusion. Do one thing. You also need one thing, I also need one electron. We'll go for sharing. We'll go for sharing. Now 7, 8. Satisfied. 7, 8. Satisfied. So both are going for sharing of the electron. Clear? Because of sharing, they are completing their octet. 7 are there already and 1. 8 of this one. 7 are there, 1, 8. So you are forming a bond of sharing bond. Okay, Cl2. This is a bond. How many bonds are there? Single bond. Okay, whenever any one which go for sharing of the electron, that forms a covalent bond. Ionic bond means losing and gaining.
Metal, non-metal.
Metal, non-metal. This is non-metal only. Both needs the electron. Okay, so there's a covalent bond. They go for sharing. Sharing of the electron means they're forming a covalent bond. Cl2, H2, hydrogen. H2 means also hydrogen only. Okay, so that's a covalent bond when there is sharing of electron. Clear? Next one, you understand? Ammonia, formation of ammonia. You heard about any time about ammonia?
Yes.
Formula, you know the formula of ammonia? Ammonia?
Methane is CH4.
Methane, I'm not saying ammonia. AMMONI. Ammonia is, formula is NH3. This is the formula for ammonia. Now you see whether it's going for electrovalent bond or covalent bond. We'll see. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Now you may ask me how it is 3. I will tell you. 7 means 2, 5. 5. Okay. Here 1 means atomic number 1 only. Okay. अब यहाँ पे समझो. It need how many electrons? It need electrons or it lose electron? Need electron. So it will gain how many electron? 3 electron, ना? ठीक है. So but it is ready to give the electron? No. It need how many electrons?
1.
Need 1 electron. So you also need, you also need. The possible. In electrovalent, I told you one should gain, one should lose. It's not possible for here. So they will go for sharing only, no other option. So how it will go for sharing first? Let me see. Nitrogen, it need 3, 1. So 3 hydrogen should come. 3. So last shell I am making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hydrogen 1 here, hydrogen 1 here, hydrogen 1 here. Okay, hydrogen only 1, only 1, only 1. Clear? It needs 3 now. 1 is done. Second one done. Third one done. See, nitrogen 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Hydrogen 1, 2. Clear? Hydrogen 1, 2. Clear? 1, 2. So all are satisfied. That's why it is NH3. अब समझ में आया, that's why it is NH3. Okay. Just the only thing you have to by heart the what? Atomic number. After that, everything you will get your answers. The concept should be clear. Go step by step, you will get all your answers. Everything you can make, any formula you can make. Clear? Now see, I will explain you how to find out what are the things you are asking. Neutron, proton, electron. Okay. For example, they gave you something and they ask you to find out the how many neutrons are there, protons are there, electrons are there. See, they gave you like this. This is what a symbol. It may be sodium, chloride, sodium, chlorine, anything it may be. Just give me an example. Z here, A here. Okay, what does Z denotes? Atomic number. Atomic number is there. This is mass number. Clear? Okay. Now, this atomic number, that Z, I am assuming Z, is always equal to protons equal to electrons or neutrons? Electrons. Clear? So if atomic number is 11, protons are 11, electrons are also 11. If atomic number is 15, protons are 15, electrons are also 15. Clear? So proton are represented by P, electrons are represented by E, atomic number is represented by Z, and mass number is represented by M. See, atomic number A na, but they are represented by Z. Assume, okay, like that only. Next, mass number. Now mass number. This is represented by A. Mass number is composed of neutron and proton. Neutron and proton. Clear? Okay. This much you keep in mind. After that your sums are done. See, I will show you. They are saying that they have written like this. Cl like this. They gave you 17 here, 35 here. Now, what is this one?
Atomic number.
Atomic number they gave you. Okay. So atomic number means A. Z gave. Z how much? 17. So from there, what are the things I can get? Protons also 17. Electrons also. Clear? You have to write the formula in the question. I am not writing. You have to write those things. Number of atomic number is equal to number of protons. That everything you have to show. Okay, it's done up to here. Now they are saying find out the neutron also. So from atomic number, can I find out the neutron? Not possible. By mass number I can find out. Na? So what is this one?
35.
Means mass number. Mass number is 35. Mass number symbol is A. A equal to formula is number of neutron plus number of protons. How much? 35. Neutron you having? No, you have to find out. Proton is there? Yes, 17. So 35 minus 17 is equal to neutron. So how much is the answer?
22.
18 na? 18 na? So n is the number of neutron you also got. From there, if they may ask you, find out the electric configuration. Electric configuration you will make by using electrons only. 17 na? 2, 8, 7. This one you know already. Yes, I will show you with one more example. See. Understood this one na? Okay, one more example you see. In case if they give you calcium is here 20, here 40. Atomic number how much?
20.
20. Atomic number Z na? 20. So proton how much?
Proton 20.
Electron?
20.
20. Now I have to find out the neutron. So neutron means this is how much atomic number? 40. Neutron I don't know. Mass number 40. Neutron I don't know. And proton how much?
20.
20. So
Neutron is 20.
neutron how much?
20.
Neutron is equal to 40 minus 20, 20. I have to write the electric configuration. 2, 8, 8, 2. See, you got the electron, proton, everything you are getting. Sometimes they give you, they will not give you atomic number. They are giving you electron. Atomic number is 20. Sometimes they doesn't give you neutron. Okay, sorry, proton, the mass number they doesn't give you. They give you neutron and proton. Add them and tell them. Clear? Not having any doubt? Okay.